Welcome back to part 2. Now in this video I'm going to turn my prints, my very bright colourful Dylusions prints, into some greetings cards. I've already made a start here on this square white card, and I've cut 3 squares of my prints to layer them up, and on a couple of them I've cut a little black piece as well just to mount them on. So I'm going to have them layered like this, and then I've cut out a circle on the top, and eventually I'm going to add one of the Ranger butterflies. Now something I do like to do whenever I cut down a print to use on something small like this is just to ink the edges with a bit of distress ink or similar, just to get rid of those white cut edges. Introducing just a little bit of texture stamping now on this one, just around the edges, because that's the only bit that's going to show. And then I'm going to introduce some black on this main piece so that when I put my black butterfly on, it kind of pulls everything together. Acrylic paint on the edge of a card, just to add some nice touches to this central piece. I've added some stitching around the edge of the little red panel here, and I've got some 3D fixes on the back of my central panel so that I'm ready just to add that now as my final layer. I'm going to make a second card just with some little collage ideas. So I've cut my squares, just getting gradually smaller, and then a longer rectangle to sit on top, and then I've folded a piece of one of my green prints in half, and I've cut out just a leaf shape that I'm going to layer on top. But first of all I'm going to ink all of the edges.